Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk drive belts used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Before carrying out this operation, we recommend watching our video 5 Things to Know When Changing a Drive Belt. For safety reasons, we recommend unplugging the battery. To do this, we recommend watching the video How to Replace the Car Battery C2 1.6 CRDI. In order to change the drive belt on your vehicle, you're going to have to lift the front and remove the passenger side wheel to have complete access. Unscrew the wheel nuts, lift the front of the vehicle, and place it on the stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial Raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You can then remove the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. You will now need to remove the lower mudguard. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 2 rivets holding the crankcase to the mudguard. Using a socket wrench, an extender and a 10mm socket, unscrew the 2 screws holding the mudguard to the body. You can now take off the mudguard. You can now see the drive belt. The drive belt moves the alternator, which charges the battery. Yes, it also operates the power steering, the air conditioning compressor, and sometimes the water pump. Using a socket wrench, an extender, and a 14mm socket, loosen the belt by lifting the tensioner pulley. At the same time, remove the belt. Using a 12mm offset wrench and a 12mm spanner, unscrew the screws holding the tensioner pulley. You cannot remove the upper tensioner pulley retaining screw until you have removed the take-up pulley. Using a T40 Torx socket, unscrew the take-up pulley. Then remove it. Remove the tensioner pulley.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the parts for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new pulley and pre-install the upper screw before putting it back in its slot. Tighten the upper screw by hand. Install the bottom screw. Finish tightening the screws holding the tensioner pulley with a Torx wrench. Get the new take-up pulley. Put it back in place. Tighten the screw holding the take-up pulley. Finish off the tightening with a Torx wrench. Take the new drive belt. Slide the new drive belt into and around the different elements, respecting the layout from the initial assembly. To put it back in place completely, lift the tensioner pulley to remove the locking pin. Then release the tensioner pulley to fully extend the belt. Before starting your car again, check the belt is properly positioned in all the pulleys. Put the mudguard back in. Then screw the screws back in. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels securely. Reconnect the battery. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.